Hello viewer, we are going to make the changes designs as well. So create another paint here. Let's generate a design. Also we are going to make the shape. Here is a new design. Explore the features. I will choose that design here. Still we will make the similar frame to change it. There we have